Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thanks for the love. Thank you for coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate, guys. And if you're just coming for the first time, I want to say you're very much welcome. Today I want to teach you guys how to measure for bustier and corset, which is the trending style now. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video. The basic measurement we need for this is going to be our chest line, our bust, our round bust, our waist measurement, and our lower waist, our upper waist measurement, our lower waist measurement. Then also we are going to be needing our bust span, which is our nipple to nipple. Also, we need our shoulder measurement, we need our round mole measurement. Also, we need our shoulder to under bust. So guys, I want to start by measuring it. I want to start by showing you the perfect and the simplest way to measure it. So the very first measurement I'm going to measure is our shoulder to nipple. Guys, look at me. I did not place my tape rule here. I place it very close to the neck of the dummy. So please don't make mistake of placing your tape rule here and measuring it. It's not going to give you the correct measurement. So you place your tape rule here very close to the shoulder, very close to the neck. Then you place your tape rule. The shoulder to nipple of this dummy is 10 inches. Also, this is what I used to do for my client. I used to place my hand on here, then bring it down to this place so that I'll be sure this thing, the measurement has not shifted. So I'll bring it down here. Under bust measurements of this dummy is 12 and a half. So after under bust, I'll still place my hand on the under bust and bring it down to the half length. And the half length measurement is for this dummy is 18. So after the under bust measurement, I place my hand and go as long as bringing it down. This is 18 inches. From here, from the navel of this dummy to this place, if you minus it, it's going to give us 2 inches. So you have to be conscious of that when you are taking your lower waist measurement. You have to be conscious of the navel. You understand? So for any corset top or a bustier top that is going to have a basque, there's some corset top or a back top that does have basque now. So you will take the measurement the way I took it the other time, like this, like so. Then here you can now take your tape again from the beginning and measure where the client wants the basque to be. So guys, the next thing is our chest measurement. You place your tape rule like this. The reason why for the chest measurement is, look at the top, so that it will not have a bulge excess around this place. So the next thing is our chest measurement. For this dummy, the chest measurement is 12 and a half. And I normally use the shoulder line as my guideline for the chest measurement. Also, I'm going to measure my nipple to nipple, which is the bust span, and this is 7 inches. So now I will start taking my measurements. I'll take the bust. I've seen a lot of people that will place their tape rule here and measure bust like this. No, you have to place it at the back of that person. Then you will take your bust measurement and bring it down to under bust. That's exactly under the bust. That's the round waist measurement. Then you bring it to the lower waist. This is the upper waist, this is the lower waist. You bring it here. This was 30 and this is 27. So guys, I hope you are enjoying what you are watching. So I will now go to the back of the measurement and take my back measurement. The back measurement of this dummy is 14 inches. Then also I'll place my tape rule very close to the shoulder again and measure the length of my back and the length of my back. And guys, I used to use one trick. You know, for people that for plus size clients, you have to be very careful because of the back vent. If you don't take care of that, your corset will be bulging out at the back. So I have at times I use normally for a plus size, I use 16 for the back. But for a slim person, for a small person, I use 14, 15 inches. Then also you can go as well and measure your normal measurement. Then for a small person, you remove half inches. Then for a plus size person, you remove 1 inches for the back to avoid any bulge. So basically, these are the things that we need for a corset top. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy what I have done. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below if you have any questions or you have any addition. Thank you guys. Bye.